Okay, sound. What does this do? I'm gonna read this. Windows can automatically adjust the volume of different sounds when you are using your PC to place or receive telephone calls. When Windows detects communications activity, and then I tried these before a long time ago, and today I try to click on them now, and I want to watch a video about it, but I can't find no videos. And send me one of your videos through YouTube so I can like watch it or whatever, because I would like to learn this, like something I could watch over and over again. If y'all know something about this, please leave it in the comments below. I would like to read comments, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm struggling on this.